Hi guys, well, this is day 2 of our low carb food week. Yesterday we did a zucchini ground beef casserole, delicious. Today we're going to do what they call a buttermilk pie, but there is no buttermilk in it. But anyway, Bert, you want to say hello?
Hello everybody. Hope everybody's doing great. We got another beautiful day outside. It's windy, but the sun's shining. It's a nice warm day. Hope everybody's good, and Linda's gonna tell you guys what we need to do, and I'm gonna sit back and watch her today. Ha ha. Go girl.
Okay. First of all, we are going to, let me put my glasses on. We're going to put in, let me see my thing. 1 cup of heavy cream, and this is the heavy cream. So, we already got everything measured out. And I got a little bit of nutmeg in that one. All right. So.
How much nutmeg you got in it?
None yet.
Oh.
That's just where I open up the container. Okay, that's 1 cup of heavy cream. So if you want to keep it keto, like I said, this has not got any buttermilk in it. If you want buttermilk, then it's not keto anymore. Okay, so we're going to put in a half a cup of sour cream. And then we get a thingy.
A thingy?
A thingy, so we can get it scraped out.
No, you said you were going to do it. Okay.
Okay, so we're going to put in a half a cup of sour cream. And it takes about an hour to cook. And I'm thinking it's on 350, 375.
Hey, I was kidding you guys. I am rubbing her back while she's doing this.
That's right. All right, now we're going to put in a half a cup of melted butter. And that's a whole stick of butter. I hope y'all saw yesterday's video. That was so good. All right.
Yeah, if you haven't tried the low carb hamburger zucchini mixture that we did yesterday, it's low carb and it is really, really good.
All right, now we're going to put in a cup of monk fruit. This is monk fruit. And it's a sweetener. It's just like sugar. So
it's a sugar substitute.
1 cup of that. All right. Then we're going to put in 4 large eggs, and I'm going to mix it up, so this will be fine. There's the 4 eggs. And we're going to put them in. All right. Then we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I like vanilla. Bert likes vanilla, so we normally double it. So it just calls for 1 teaspoon, but I'm going to put 2. Okay, and a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Now, I don't like a lot of nutmeg, so I'm going to stick with half a teaspoon. What do you think? Hey, that's the way I do it.
See, I don't like nutmeg, so anyway.
My pie. No. You want to go the full thing then?
I would.
Okay.
I think I'll give it more
if
flavor.
If it messes it up, it's on you.
Okay.
All right. Then we're going to put in a half a teaspoon of cinnamon.
I would go 1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
1 or 2?
1. 1 full.
Okay. So it calls for a half teaspoon, but we're going to double it for 2.
We're going to make it a little bit more spicy. I prefer a little spicy. Linda not so much, so I hope she'll eat this pie. We'll see.
Well, if I don't, he's going to have a big pie. Okay.
Big custard.
I've got to cut the mixer very noisy, so I'm going to cut the sound so you can't hear it. Okay, that's all mixed up, and this is what it looks like. This is the custard. We're not actually making a pie because we're not doing the crust. When you do a crust, you got to count the flour and all, more carbs. So this is going to be.
To be keto friendly, we're just making the custard itself.
Yeah. So we've already got the dish. It's buttered, so it's ready to go. So go ahead, Bart, pour it up. So now we've already had one main meal for Monday. Today is dessert day, so tomorrow may be snack day. I may teach you how to do low carb potato chips. They do exist.
Okay, you need to clean that out.
Yeah. Okay. All right, that's it. Now, Bart's gonna put it in the oven, 350 degrees, and for about, start checking it after about 45 minutes, because it may take an hour because it's so much liquid in it. But then we'll see how it's coming along.
Then we're going to do a taste test.
Yeah,
See
yeah.
you back soon. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to turn it this way you can see it.
Okay.
Okay, we're back and we've got the custard, and I've already took out a couple of sample pieces, but you can see it. And doesn't that look good? Anyways, now we're going to have a taste test. And there's the way it looks. I'll get you some more if you want. But anyways, bon appetit. This is the custard itself.
This is keto custard.
This is a low carb custard.
If you're following this diet.
Hey, that's really good. What I would say really for most people, including Linda, is with this recipe, follow the recipe exactly. We doubled up on I actually doubled up on the ground cinnamon and on the nutmeg, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you go a half a teaspoon each for this particular recipe, I think it will be good.
It's got a good flavor to it.
It's got a very, very good flavor.
All this brown right here is nutmeg. So, Bert's gonna have a lot of nutmeg to eat.
I'm gonna have a good custard to eat. But anyway, this recipe is a good one, particularly if you were to just stick to the original spice blend, right?
Yeah.
So, just remember, like, subscribe, and share out our channel. Hope we'll see you soon. And remember...
Oh, tomorrow. Wait a minute. Tomorrow is another keto day. We're doing keto all this week, low carb. So tomorrow, I think we're going to teach you how to make potato chips out of eggs. How's that sound?
Sounds good. So just remember, God loves you, and so do we, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye for now.